Hey kids, today we are going to learn how to create a presentation using an hands-on activity. So for creating a presentation, you should open Google Slides, right? So this is my Google homepage, and in the top right corner, I have these 9 dots. When I click on them, I get an option called Slides. So I will click on that Google Slides. After that, Google Slides homepage is open in front of me. So first thing that you will do once you open Google Slides homepage is check whether you are using your own account or not. You can check it from the top right corner. If you are using your own account, then that's better. If no, then you need to change it into your school account. Now let's create a presentation. We create a presentation after clicking this plus sign, that is the blank one. So once I click on this plus sign, an untitled presentation is created in front of me. Now as you can see, the default name given to this presentation is untitled presentation, and the default slide that is shown is the title slide. So all the presentations need a title slide, so we will keep this slide as it is. So now let's rename the presentation. We'll remove this and name now the topic for the presentation is school at home. So let's rename the presentation as school at home and save the name of this presentation by clicking anywhere on the slide. Now the name is saved. Let's start by adding the title. Now I want to add the title as school at home only, as it is the topic. The title is your choice. You can select any title. As the subtitle, I will write my name because I am creating this presentation. You can write any subtitle of your choice. Next thing that I need to do is check what is the next step that I want to do or I have to do in this activity. We are done with creating the presentation. We are done with naming the presentation. We are done with putting the title of the presentation. So let's move to the second slide. So as given in this activity sheet, the second slide should explain what do you find good about school at home, or you can say what do you like about school at home. So I will add the slide with a new layout. Let's select this layout where we can put a main point and a text. So the main point will be what do I like about school at home. Now over here you can use the points. I can write I like that I don't have to travel to go to the school. Second thing I can write is pay attention to the grammar mistake if you are doing so. Second thing that I like about school at home is I can attend the school directly from my home. So these are the things that I like about school at home. You can mention your own thoughts. It is completely upon you. Now let's move on to the third slide. So in the activity sheet, the third slide should explain what you learn to do better during school at home. This is one interesting topic. What I learned to do better in during school at home. So for that I will choose two columns because I learned two things during school at home. So we will write over here what I learned to do better during school at home. So the first thing that I learned to do better is painting. So I can write a few sentences about this, that I learned to do better painting. Why? Because I got much free time during school at home and the comfort of home too. So I learned glass painting during this time. The second thing that I learned during school at home was cooking. I learned to cook tasty dishes and delicate serving styles also. So I learned these two things. You can say that you can also say that you learned uh, to be more organized. I also learned to be more organized. I also learned to be more responsible. I learned to be responsible towards my daily course. So it's up to you what you want to write over here. So the fourth slide, let's see what the fourth slide should explain. Okay, fourth slide should explain your daily routine if there was no school at home during lockdown. So suppose if there was no school at home during lockdown, then my daily routine would be, let's talk about my daily routine. Okay, so I think so my daily routine would be waking up late at morning, then it can be having breakfast. After that, then watching some movies after lunch, and so on. So I can write many things like this. Now we are done with this. So what we need to do is decorate this. If you want to insert pictures, you can insert pictures. If you want to change the font type, you can change it. Suppose this is my title slide. I want to change the font of this title. Let's select this one, and I like this one, so it is looking nice. So suppose I want to change the font of this one. Let's select this one. If suppose I want to change the font color of this, I can select the font color also. It depends on you. Decorate your presentation. It should look good. It should look presentable. It should look clean. And that's all for now.